If you want to reset out your Windows 11 computer so that it feels like a brand new PC, then you can use something called the recovery options. So to use that, I'm going to go around onto the start menu, and then I'm going to click on settings right here. So once you go around and click on settings, on the left side, you'll have to go onto the system area right here. And once you go onto the system area, here you can see recovery is an option. Once you click on the recovery option right here, you can see that you can fix out problems right here. And there are some other recovery options right here. For example, you have an option to reset the PC. So now if you were to click on reset PC right here, you can keep the files, like you can keep the files and folders and personal files that you have, but it'll remove out the installed applications and reset out any settings that is there in Microsoft Windows 11, so that it seems like a fresh PC let's say, for example, without removing your personal files, of course. But if you want it to be a brand new PC, you can click on the remove everything option right here, and it'll remove out everything, even your personal files, so that it does feel like a brand new PC that you just bought. I'm not going to click over here because it'll actually reset out my PC, so I'm just going to press cancel. But once you click on it, follow out the steps, it'll completely wipe out your PC. And it is very, very useful to do so if your computer is buggy and you don't seem to know what the problem is as well. You can also see that you can also go back. So if you were to click on go back, then what happens is that it'll go back to the earlier build. So if you have updated your computer, that is, you have done some Windows update and you want to go for earlier builds, then you can click on it and then revert back as well if you want to. If you want to go to the advanced setup right here, then you can click on restart now right here, and it'll take you to the advanced setup as well. And that is how you can use the recovery options to reset out the PC or go back to a previous version. I'm not going to actually do this out because it'll actually change my system. But if you want to do that, then this is where you come, and this will fix out most of the problems if you're running into different Windows problems. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.